So at Conquest Planning, one of our key objectives is to democratize access to advice so that everyone should be able to get access to advice regardless of their current financial state. And we want to do that with one engine, the Conquest engine. So provide access for mass market, mass affluent, high net worth. Doesn't matter what kind of client you are, you need access to advice. The current state is high net worth clients get access to advice because the value that they present to the advisors and to the advisor network justifies that. I think there's a couple. The key trends that we're looking at are integration, so data integration and access to the data to bring the data in from different systems so that you can generate a plan very quickly without having to rekey in information. So that's one of the key trends in the space. And we've built our system with a completely open API, so we can bring data in and we can push data out, or let another system pull data out from us. So we can bring data in to allow access to build the plan quickly. But then when the plan is built, one of the things that we've done with our system is the plan should be a series of strategies that need to be executed and implemented. So push those strategies back out to other systems like a CRM system or an account opening system to actually execute the plan and implement the plan over time. Yeah, so another key trend is obviously artificial intelligence and the impact of that. We think that that is a core fundamental strategy for Conquest, and the ability to make the planning process simpler, easier to understand, and more human-like and client-friendly. So that's one of the issues right now in planning is the goodness of a plan is measured by the thickness of the report. But the clients, they typically don't understand that report. They might nod and go, yeah, I get it. But inside they're going, I have no idea, but I'm going to have to trust this person. What we'd like to be able to do is have the clients and the advisors collaborate more and let the clients understand that. So we built an interactive interface, embedded AI into the planning process. So we are able to help the advisor and the client select the next best actions for them in the planning process and serve that up in bite-sized pieces so that they can understand the impact of, well, if I saved a little bit more, or I worked a couple more years, or I downsized my house, what would the impact be to my plan? And they have to understand the impact of each of those strategies so that when they conclude and they say, okay, here's what we're going to do over time, they actually understand the impact of all of those strategies and what the timing of the strategies means to the plan as well.